Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to use extrusion to create window hood. So this is our floor plan. We already have our window. We have two types of window here. We have the circular window and the casement window. Let's view our 3D. This is our casement window and our circular window. So here I'm going to show you how to use extrusion to create a window hood. So let's go to architecture. From architecture tab, we go to component. In our components, we click model in place. Go towards the window, click window, OK. We click extrusion at the create tab. We click extrusion where my mouse is pointing. Extrusion. And because we are working on this, so we are going to select, we're going to set a plane. So I'm going to set a plane. I see where my mouse is pointing. Select a plane. Pick a plane. OK. So I'm going to point my mouse towards the wall. That is where I'm choosing my plane. As you can see, the blue icon that uncovers the wall. That is to know that you have selected the wall as your plane. So I'll select it as my plane. Now I will go and pick the edge of the casement window. So but I'm going to make it very fast for me. So I'm going to choose pick line. So that's when I'm going to pick the lines of the window. So I'll pick the lines here, pick the lines here, pick the lines here, and pick the lines here. You can know my extrusion end is 250. This is tell you that the thickness of the extrusion is going to be 250, but I can choose to reduce it. Let me reduce it to 100. Now I need to put another line, but I can use my offset to offset the line. That is, I can choose to offset the line. So I click here, I click here, I click, and click OK. Finish. You can see our window hood is out. So let's do another one using the circular window. Same process. Click to architecture, component, model in place. Click on window, OK. Window 2, OK. Click extrusion. Set our plane. Pick a plane. Then point the mouse towards the wall to test the plane. You can use pick lines to make it very easy. So click here, pick the line on the upper circular view. Click here to pick the lines of the down one. But I'll use my offset the line. So I'll choose my offset. You can see my offset is 200. Distance between the two lines at 200. Same has to do with the circular window. So you can also choose the offset, whether 150 or 200. But here I'm using 200. So let's click OK. As you can see, our Windows circular hood been created. So want more of this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of this week's video. Thank you.